The woods. It calls out to you. You feel the quiet, sense the peace. You try to imagine your new world, so full of possibilities. Can you picture yourself here?
Hi, I'm Izzy, and I'd like to share our beautiful campus with you. By the end of this tour, I hope you can see yourself here at the woods. So let's go. Our journey through the woods begins here, at Rooney Library. Once this was just a place for librarians, and they're still pretty cool. But now it's for refreshments too. And there's so much more here too. Tutoring, the Writing Center, Learning Resource Center, all free, all available to you. We take this whole learning thing seriously here. These are the financial aid folks. Their goal is getting you an education in our woods. All you have to do is apply, and they do the work of finding you scholarships. I mean, how cool is that? Okay, let's keep going. The gym is not just for the hardcore athletes here. We all get into the action. Did you know that 40% of the students here are student athletes? And the rest of us stay active and have fun with intramurals, club sports, and extreme fandom! Oh yeah, and the woods too. What are you ready for next? Lunch or home? Lunch, of course. That was a trick question. We eat lunch and dinner in this amazing space. It's like a step back in time. And it's good. Seriously. Lucky you though, you'll have lunch here. Oops, how about here? That's right, a brand new dining hall and suite style residence rooms reserved for upperclassmen. But you're going to love your first year room too. Your new home, LaFair Hall. Here's my friend, Justine, a resident assistant to show us around. There are some cool areas to hang out. Have study groups, movie night, or quick chats with friends. Each floor has a newly remodeled kitchen and free laundry right here on your floor. Every room has high ceilings, wood floors, and this cool vibe. You can make it your own from there. There are some just cool spaces in LaFair. This gorgeous ballroom. Little nooks for when you're buckling down. Security. This is where our ghost, the faceless nun, lives. And when things start to get real, the Career Center is right here to help you with resumes, internships, and jobs. Moving right along. Academics, right? When you come to see us in real life, we'll connect you with a faculty member from your major or from our Woods core classes if you haven't decided. With 30 majors and even more minors, you can focus in on one, or with a little bit of mix and match, you can create a path of your own. And if you change your mind, you don't have to change schools. Once you're here, you're not going to want to leave. Oh, and if you come see us, you can come get some swag here. With a long tradition of the arts, you can see plays, concerts, and recitals in this gorgeous place. So, the last thing I have to do is introduce you to our neighbors. We were founded as a Catholic college by the Sisters of Providence in 1840. And they're still our neighbors. You don't have to be Catholic to come here, but you'll definitely feel the spirituality of this place. It's a beautiful place. Back to the woods, where it all started. I would love to see you on campus. I showed you some of my favorite things here, but like so many things, you have to see it yourself, right? So come see us and ask all the questions you have. We truly want to help you figure out if this is the right place for you.